The other day I drove to the country and I realized something was missing off the car. This fall off the car. So I called Audi and sent them the picture and all that stuff, and they sent me an invoice. So I'm going to transfer the money to their bank account right now and have them order it. I'm going to show you the invoice, how much it costs and all that stuff. So if you guys lose one of those, you have to get it at the dealer, because guess what? It's a right-hand drive. You can't go online. This is one thing, I can't go online and just buy online because it's a right-hand drive car. So I'd rather just go through the dealer. It's not that expensive anyway, so just gonna go to the dealer and get it. But yeah, we're gonna head to the garage to check on the smart car. So from the other day, the guys at the garage been calling me, wanting me to come to the garage so we can do a test drive on the car. And I've just been busy, you know, I haven't been able to get around there. So I'm the one holding up the progress of the car. I'm the one, you know, stalling everything. So I'm going to the garage now. We're gonna see if we can do our shoots. I forgot my I wanted to bring the Asafa Sutton car license plates to put on the car because the car is not registered. So we're just test driving it. So I wanted to put, you know, those plates on it. You know, not that it's gonna make a difference, but wanted to put it on it. But I'm heading there now. You know how the traffic stay in Jamaica and in Kingston actually. You know, so I don't know how this test drive is gonna work. I don't know where we're gonna go to do the test drive. It's not like there's a back road there or anything here in Kingston. You know, it's just all roads that all the cars are on. You know, have taxis going boop 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 all over the place. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but we're gonna try. We're trying to get there now. I'm trying to see if I can, you know, beat around the traffic and all that. So let's see, guys. Let's see if we can test drive the car today. I know I had said this video was gonna be a video of the car on the dyno, but we have to do a test drive, you know, just to make sure that the car is actually ready for the dyno. You know, so hopefully we can get it done today. You know, like I said, based on the traffic, we don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, guys, the car is not on the dyno in this video. I could make one long video of today, then you know we piece it together, you know, and stuff, and make it a long video. But this video should be long enough. Alright, guys, so we're at the garage. And car ready, you know, apart from the wrong back wheel on this side. That's the front wheel, that's the back wheel. But yeah, where's the right one now?
Just pop if you just take a final run tune, so we can get to tune it Friday or Saturday, and we can go drive it.
Alright, so
put some speed on it.
So what do you call it? Remote tune?
Yeah, remote tune maybe.
Yeah, we're doing remote tune, so we have to wait on the tuner when he's available to log in to the computer so him can do him tune, you know what I mean? And I realize a lot of people watching the channel and can't wait to see this car. So yeah, man, light him up. Him do an next tune on it? Huh? Him do something else to it? Sound cleaner.
Trim it up.
Him trim it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, sound clean. And it smell clean. Yeah, you can't drive now. Okay. Yeah. It will sound a lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. Let me see the rear fuel. Good. Water. No seats yet though. Just cleaning up, they're going doing some the vacuuming out inside, cleaning up, and seats gonna go in. Go.
one wheel just split now. Remember, it's not peg leg. Remember, it's not peg leg, you know.
So we end up with not a test drive. We call that a test drive. Yeah? Yeah. You not here?
Wow. Fan up, you can't feel the fan through the phone. Fan up, cool man. Yeah. Man. Alright guys, so we can call it a test drive, you know what I mean? Car ready. I'm saying the car ready is just a tuner. We're waiting on now, and once the tuner, give us the go ahead, then can load up the computer. But I think that's going to be Friday. Today is actually Wednesday. So I believe all of that is going to be done on Friday. So I'm posting this video because a lot of you guys have been asking me for an update. Whenever you guys see me out in the streets, I didn't know it was so many of you guys looking out for this car, waiting for this car to be done. So I just wanted to give you an update to see where we are. The car can drive now. I can actually drive the car home now, but we want to, the tuner to trim it up some more, so we can actually drive it on the highway and drive it down to elite performance. You understand? Excitement. And then after it tune now, we'll come back to the garage, put on the wrap, and we'll do another reveal on it. So it's not fully done yet. The interior need to, the cover. Yeah, the cover and all that stuff. A few final touches need to be done after we tune. And then, we can drive it home and burn some tires, So flames are gonna come out of this pipe, that pipe. My God, I hope of them two pipes alone the flames come out of. We might get some flames off of the tire them when them wear out. Well, yeah, man, this is going to be something to drive, man. Something else to drive. I think apart from the Chevelle, this is gonna get the most attention on the road. For sure, this will get a lot of attention when I drive it on the road. The Chevy, you can't take away that from the Chevy. Anybody, once people see it, a problem. And the 190E, and the 190E too, get a whole heap of attention. Every time I drive it, somebody want to buy it. Yeah, man, every time I drive it, they want to buy it. But this is going to be very exciting. Yeah, guys, sorry this is not an actual test driving video, but it's progress. Everything, every single thing is all buttoned down, apart from the seats. But everything is all buttoned down in the car. Everything is ready to go, ready to head to the dyno. The gas tank full of gas. Car ready to tune. I actually have the spark plugs here. These are 7s. So we are ready for the dyno, ready to go. So, sorry to be, drawing out the tuning process and all of that stuff, but most definitely, in the next video, we are going to do, for sure, we'll be test driving the car, maybe drive it around on the street a little bit, maybe go on the smoother roads, and just go through the gears, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, and then we prepare again to head out to the dyno. I'm kind of worried about the tires on the dyno though, because these tires has been on the car from 2008. From 2008, those tires been on the car, so I'm worried about them on the dyno. But I'll bring the 17-inch wheels just in case those tires start to shed, you know, start crack up and all that stuff. So I'll bring, you know, those tires. But yeah, man, exciting times. You know, we are moving ahead. You know, the car is going to be, trust me, a lot of fun. I know it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, guys. So like up the video. You know, I know you guys waiting. I know it's drying out, but like the video and just stay tuned. The next one is going to be legit, going to be serious.